raisins and raisin water is a century-old remedy to cure heart and liver-related disorders. Drinking raisin water for 4 days continuously can get your heart and liver functioning well. Let us see on how to make raisin water. Making raisin water is extremely easy. Here is the step-by-step procedure of making raisin water. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 150 grams raisins. Boil some water in a pan and soak some raisins in it overnight. 2. Strain the water and heat it again on the low flame. 3. Drink this water on an empty stomach. Wait for 30-35 minutes before having your breakfast. 5. Do this continuously for 4 days, and you will see the difference. Points to remember: always choose the dark-colored raisins for making raisin water because black raisins are sun-dried grapes without any add-on chemicals. On the other hand, yellow raisins are dipped in sulfur dioxide to retain their color. This is harmful to your health and therefore should be avoided. You should drink this water continuously for 4 days minimum to see the effect. Cut down on sugar as raisins carry natural sugar. Let's now see the health benefits with raisins water. First one. Liver detox. Raisin water stimulates a particular biochemical process in liver which results in enhanced purification of the bloodstream. This helps in easy digestion as well as maintaining liver health as raisin water is rich in minerals and vitamins. Second is it improves heart health. Apart from purification of bloodstream, raisin water helps in maintaining heart health. It reduces your triglyceride levels and helps in elimination of bad cholesterol apart from a clean gut and enhanced digestion. This all contributes to a healthier heart. Third is it reduces acidity. As we have been stating that raisin water increases digestion, it is rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps in the segregation of stomach acids during digestion process, which enhances the absorption of nutritional components. It helps you process your food better and thus better nutrition along with no acidity issues. Fourth, blood purifier. Raisins have been suggested by doctors and medical practitioners since long for increased hemoglobin levels and purification of blood. Raisins are grapes, rich in vitamins and minerals and less sugar as they are dried. They have all the goodness sans the sugar. Fifth, it increases metabolism. As discussed above, it helps in digestion and also acts as liver and heart detoxifier, keeping all our vital organs up and healthy. It has a rapid and positive effect on body metabolism too. It is a perfect antioxidant. It is grapes that we are talking about, as we all know that grapes are a great resource of natural bioflavonoids, which are the best natural antioxidants that protect us from free radicals and help us with an enhanced defense system. Just give it a try. It is a natural remedy with proven benefits. Thanks for watching this video. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to get notified for more such videos.